Let's look at the chapter 1 from the textbook, which is part of the unit 1, and we're going to describe what information technology is and its relationship to an organization. Chapter 2 are going to discuss the use of IT for competitive advantage, and Chapter 3 discuss 3 or 4 strategic initiatives currently used by a lot of enterprises. Chapter 4 discuss how we measure the success of those IT strategic initiatives. And Chapter 5 describe the organizational structure that allowed us to use information technology effectively. So in Chapter 1, we first try to differentiate management information system and information technology. And MIS is a more generic term, which has a strong organizational and behavior issue on top of the information technology, which is more technical driven. We're going to describe the relationship between people, information technology, and information. Those are the 3 pillars regarding management information systems. And we're going to study how different departments work within an enterprise and describe different type of organizational information culture within modern enterprise. On this slide, we're seeing a picture of Jamie Dimon, who is the CEO of JP Morgan Chase, and he's pretty well known for using IT effectively in the banking industry, in the financial industry, to allow his bank to merge another bank and quickly integrate its information system and integrate its business functions. Many departments are impacted by information technology. First and foremost will be customer service area, finance, followed by finance, sales, and marketing. IT to a certain extent is not really using IT itself. The goal of most of the MIS projects are reducing costs and improve productivity, and tied to the customer service arena, improving customer satisfaction and loyalty become a very important goal in many MIS projects. Creating competitive advantage is another important goal. Many departments like marketing, HR, accounting are working pretty much in silo. They do share some information, but not greatly. They don't really interact that much with each other. And with a better and integrated information system, we can certainly change that to make an enterprise be more agile and be more integrated and working in a more coordinated fashion. So in this case, marketing, indicating marketing need information from different departments within the firm in order to perform its job. They need sales data to do market forecasts. They need operational capacity information in order to decide which promotion should go out. And accounting budget may limit the budget in the marketing initiative. IT is focusing more on the use of technology in managing processing information, and IT is treated as an enabler, not a substitute for managing information system. It's an enabler to create business success. MIS is much broader and cover not just technology but people, procedure, etc. And MIS sometimes is managing as a business function similar to other business function or department within the firm. So there are several basic things we're going to discuss. One is the difference between data information and business intelligence. The other is how we manage information resources. And the third is different IT culture. The raw material in the IS world is the data. They're just digit, bytes, and number. Information allowed us to get data organized and put it in context to help us to make better decisions. And business intelligence are technology which allowed us to analyze the data much deeper to support better decision making. We use technology such as expert system, data mining in the business intelligence field. This is a typical spreadsheet which we have the raw data, which is just transaction by transaction. Once we sort it out, then it becomes a little bit more meaningful. We can refer to this as information if we need to, and we can sort it, we can filter it, we can search the information. And in the business intelligence arena, we're capable of using the information to answer questions that a manager typically would be interesting to find out, like who are our most profitable customer, which product are most profitable, which product potentially we want to discontinue. There's three pillars in IT resource management. One is information, the other is information technology, and the third is the people. People are using information managed by the information technology to make better decisions. That's how these three are related to each other. There are four different cultures in an organization regarding how they manage information. The worst one is information functional culture, which means information are treated, are held by functional area user and managers and not sharing with other users. And information sharing culture, which is a step up. People are sharing information across departmental level. And the third level is information inquiry. People are actively seeking information to solve the problem they have on hand. And the fourth level, the highest level, employee cross-department open to new insight about crisis and radical changes and seek way to create competitive advantage using the information they have identified through data mining, etc.